Hello, this is Ahab Dev. In this video, I'll guide you through loading your custom avatar project into Unity and uploading it to VRChat. Please note that this tutorial only applies if you've hired me to create your avatar and received the project file from me, as it follows a specific setup tailored to my workflow. First, download the zip file from the link I provided and extract it to your preferred folder. Once you've done that, open the VRC Companion app. Instead of creating a new project, choose the option to add an existing project and locate the folder where you extracted the files. By default, VRC Companion already includes the essential VRChat SDK files, but make sure you've also installed the VRC Fury and Gesture Manager packages, as I include them in all my projects for added functionality. Next, open the project in Unity. Keep in mind that this may take a few minutes depending on your system.
A few moments later.
Once Unity is open, it's a good idea to set up the default window layout for a more comfortable workflow. Go to the Window menu at the top, select Layouts, and choose Default. Look toward the bottom of the Unity interface and ensure the Project tab is selected. Click on the searcher and write down OpenMe. Right away, you'll see a scene file labeled OpenMe. Double-click this file to load the scene. This is where your avatar prefab is located and prepared for upload. Since the project only contains one OpenMe scene, there's no risk of opening the wrong file. Inside the scene, you'll notice two blue files labeled as prefabs. If you click on the Gesture Manager prefab and enter Play Mode by clicking on the option, you'll be able to test toggles directly in Unity. This is useful if you know how to adjust toggles or want to troubleshoot specific features. If not, you can skip this step entirely. When you're done testing, click the Stop button at the top of Unity to exit Play Mode. Next, select your avatar file. With the avatar selected, go to the top menu bar, click on VRChat SDK, and choose Show Control Panel. This will open the VRChat SDK window. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your VRChat credentials. After logging in, you'll see that I've already configured everything necessary for uploading. However, you'll still need to enter a name and description for your avatar and take a thumbnail screenshot. Once that's done, you can ignore any white, yellow, or red warning messages unless there's an auto fix option. If there is, click it to resolve the issue automatically. Finally, check the Information Provided is Correct box and click the Upload button. Be patient, as the upload process can take a few minutes.
A few moments later.
Once the upload is successful, you'll see a confirmation message in green text. Click the Dismiss button and launch VRChat. Inside VRChat, go to the Uploaded Avatars section and locate your new avatar. It may take a little while for the preview image to load, but once it's ready, click Wear this avatar to use it. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your custom avatar. Thank you for following this tutorial and enjoy your new VRChat experience.